Okay, good morning, friends. In morning session, we discuss about the chapter number 11, work and energy. So here in text question first, what is the kinetic energy of an object? So for that, the energy possessed by an object due to its motion is called its kinetic energy. The next question, write the expression for the kinetic energy of an object. So as we know that the kinetic energy of an object of mass m having uniform velocity v, that is Ek is equal to 1/2 mv square, where Ek is the kinetic energy, m is the mass of an object, and v is velocity of an object, that is Ek is equal to 1/2 mv square. Then next we discuss about the potential energy, that is the potential energy is the energy stored in a body or the system as a consequence of its position, shape or the state. It is known as the potential energy. So first we take the activity 11.8. So take a rubber band, hold it at one end and pull from the other, the band stretches. Release the band at one of the ends, what happens? So for that, the band will tend to regain its original length. Obviously, the band had acquired energy in its stretched position. Again I repeat, when you release the band at one of the ends, what happened? The band will tend to regain its original length. Obviously, the band had acquired energy in its stretched position. How did it acquire energy when stretched? The work done in stretching the rubber band is stored in it as the potential energy. When the band is released, it tends to regain its original length due to this stored energy, that is potential energy. Now next activity 11.9, you have take the long spring, that is slinky, okay, as shown in the figure. That is a slinky, it is a slinky. Slinky means long spring. You have take a slinky as shown in the figure. Ask a friend to hold one of its end. You hold the other end and move away from your friends. Now you release the slinky. What happened? When the slinky is released, it regained its original length. How did the slinky acquire energy when stretched? When the slinky is stretched, it acquired energy due to work done on its during stretching. Would the slinky acquire energy when it is compressed? Yes. To compress the slinky, work has to be done which is stored in the slinky as potential energy. Now next activity 11.10, take a toy car, wind it using its key, place the car on the ground. Take a toy car, wind it using its key, place the car on the ground. Did it move? Yes, the toy car moves on the ground. From where did it acquire energy? The work done in winding is stored in it as potential energy. The next question, does the energy acquired depend on the number of winding? Yes. Does the energy acquired depend on the number of winding? Yes. How can you test this? If the number of winding is more, that is up to certain limit, more is the potential energy stored in it. The toy car will move a greater distance. Then next activity 11.11. Lift an object through a certain height. The object can now do work. It began to fall when released. This implies that it has acquired some energy. If raised to a greater height, it can do more work and has possesses more energy. From where did it get the energy? In raising the object, work has to be done against the force of gravity. This work gets stored in the object as potential energy. Greater the height through which the object is raised, greater is the work done on the object. Hence, more is the energy acquired by the object. So here, that is in all the situation, in all this activity, 11.8, 11.9, 11.10, 11.8, in all this situation, the energy gets stored due to the work done on the object. The energy transferred to an object is stored as a potential energy. You transferred energy when you stretch the rubber band. The energy transferred to the band is its potential energy. You do work while winding the key of a toy car. The energy transferred to the spring inside is stored as a potential energy. So here the potential energy possessed by the object is the energy present in it by the virtue of its position or the configuration. Okay, again I repeat, what is the potential energy? The potential energy possessed by the object is the energy present in it by the virtue of its position or the configuration, okay, or the state or the shape. Now next activity, 11.12. You have to take the one bamboo stick as shown in the figure and make the bow as shown in the figure. Place an arrow made of light stick on it with one end supported by the stretch string. Now stretch the string and release the arrow as shown in the figure. Notice the arrow flying off the bow and notice the change in the shape of the bow. So what you have to observe that here, when the string is stretched, the work done on it is stored as its potential energy. When released, the potential energy stored in the bow get transferred into kinetic energy and throwing of the arrow. The bow regained its original shape.